OPPO is one of those brands that quickly adapts to the latest design trends. When 18:9 screens were trending, the F5 popped up. Now that we have the notch design, the company released its successor. What's up guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and join us in our review of the OPPO F7 to find out what it has to offer. The OPPO F7 on the front looks similar to its cousin in China, the OPPO R15. It has a large 6.23-inch display with a tiny notch that houses a 25-megapixel selfie camera, earpiece, and sensor. An LED notification light is absent though, which is weird. Protecting them is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a pre-installed screen protector. The F7 uses on-screen navigation buttons, so you won't find any capacitive keys in the slim bezel at the bottom. On the left are the volume buttons, while on the right are the power lock button and the triple slot tray for 2 nano-sized SIM cards and a microSD card. Found up top is a secondary microphone, while down below are the loudspeaker, main microphone, and the 3.5mm audio port. Sadly, OPPO equipped the F7 with a micro USB. Flip it on its back and you will see the protruding 16-megapixel shooter, LED flash, oblong fingerprint scanner, and the OPPO branding. OPPO obviously wanted the F7 to be an eye-catcher. As such, it comes in solar red and moonlight silver that has this metallic glossy look. It has an acrylic finish, but it's solid, well-made, and has decent heft. The rounded sides also make the device easy to grip. You can still navigate the UI with one hand, but you will definitely need two if you need access to the upper part of the screen. Our only complaint is that it's smudged in fingerprint magnet, which degrades its looks and forces you to wipe it every now and then. The good news is, it comes with a jelly case in the package, so you can save yourself the trouble. The OPPO F7 uses a 6.23-inch Full HD Plus LTPS IPS display, which has a good pixel density of 405 ppi. It has a 19:9 aspect ratio and an 82.5% screen-to-body ratio. It provides a nice viewing experience as it has accurate colors, good viewing angles, feels immersive, and is vibrant enough for outdoor use. The notch, however, can be distracting when watching movies or playing games as it can extend over it. Thankfully, you can turn the notch area off inside settings to get a clean, straight border at the top. Users can also adjust the display's color temperature and activate night shield to reduce blue light from the screen to prevent eye strain. When it comes to audio, the speaker is loud enough for hands-free voice calls, gaming, and casual listening to movies and music. It has weak bass though, so don't expect really good quality. If you want a better listening experience, we recommend using the earphones included in the package or a Bluetooth speaker. The OPPO F7 is equipped with a 16-megapixel rear and a 25-megapixel front camera with AI features. It has scene recognition, which supports 16 scenes and objects, HDR, depth effect, panorama, expert mode, AR sticker, vivid mode, and beauty. There's an AI-assisted beauty mode, but is only available for the front camera. Camera performance is good as it locks onto the subjects quickly and can produce images with accurate colors, high dynamic range, and plenty of details. Low light performance is decent with noticeable noise. Blur can be avoided by holding the camera very still for a couple of seconds. The depth effect isn't perfect, but produces decent result if there's a good distance between the subject and the background. AI-assisted beauty mode is effective and was able to enhance our selfies by removing blemishes without erasing distinct facial features. As for video recording, the F7 maxes out at 1080p at 30 fps in MP4 format. Quality is sharp with smooth autofocus. There's no video stabilization, so footages are prone to shakes. Running the software department is ColorOS 5.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It's a clean, attractive yet easy to navigate UI that uses multiple home screens to house the apps. Navigation is done via 3 basic keys at the bottom of the screen, or by a swipe-up gesture. You can also activate the assistive ball for easy one-handed navigation. It's got plenty of features hidden inside the settings like Smart Assistant, which provides quick functions and information, full screen multitasking, split screen, gesture and motion commands, clone apps, screen recording, and game acceleration. It also has a phone manager and security suite that cleans your storage of junk, scans for viruses, detects device problems, manages your permissions, and protects personal information. Pre-installed apps like Facebook, WPS Office, and iReader are present but can be uninstalled. The rest are Google's apps and the F7's tools. Storage-wise, you're getting 50.22GB of usable space out of the 64GB, which is still sizable. You can expand it via USB OTG or microSD card. Powering the OPPO F7 is a MediaTek's Helio P60 octa-core processor, Mali's G72 MP3 GPU, and 4GB of RAM. Performance is good as navigation is smooth and apps launch fast. The fingerprint scanner and face unlock feature are very responsive and can unlock our device instantaneously. Gaming is not an issue as it can run PUBG Mobile in high HD settings as well as Tekken, Mobile Legends, and Skydancer. Warming can be felt on the upper rear side, but not too much as to cause discomfort. Check out the benchmark scores. When it comes to connectivity, the OPPO F7 supports 4G LTE in both SIM slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and GPS. So far, these features work well as it can connect to the LTE network quick, while voice calls are loud and clear. Navigation apps like Google Maps, Waze, and Grab didn't have any issues locking in our location. The OPPO F7 carries a 3,400 mAh battery pack that is capable of lasting a whole day of mixed usage, consisting of Wi-Fi connectivity, social media, photography, and gaming. It doesn't support fast charging and takes us a little over 2 hours to charge from 0 to full. PC Mark's battery bench rated it at 11 hours and 20 minutes, which is above average. While our video loop test, which involves playing a 1080p video in loop at 50% brightness and volume with headset plugged in, yielded an impressive 23 hours of playback. One of OPPO's strategies is to adapt to popular tech trends that are normally found in more expensive flagship devices, then implements them in their powerful mid-range devices at a lower price. They have successfully done that once again with the OPPO F7. For 17,990 pesos, you're getting a device with a good build, attractive design, large immersive display with a notch, powerful mid-range performance, good cameras, and above-average battery life. It's not perfect though, as it lacks features like an LED notification light, image and video stabilization, USB-C, and fast charging. On the bright side, you're getting the advantages mentioned without breaking the bank. There you have it. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our latest uploads. Once again, this is Kim, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!